How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the video. We're here at Brickell CDJR. And right here next to me is Jason Ortega. He's a technician. He's going to teach us how to change the oil of a car. Let's do it.
Alright, so first, start by removing the drain plug. And you get the oil bucket, put it up. Now just wait till it drains. Alright, bring this down. Put the drain plug back in. Tighten it. And now we bring the car down. Now we open the hood. Put this little stick to hold it. We open this right here. Now we go this. Get this oil filter out. Loosen it with this. Take this off. And come here. Squeeze the little O-ring. Take it out. You get the new filter. Put the new O-ring on. New filter on. Now we start it by hand. Alright, start it by hand. And then you tighten it a little bit. Alright, and then you get your snap-on oil. Your snap-on oil funnel. Make sure it has 6 quarts of oil. Start pouring oil. Put the bucket back. And you want to close the cap. And you want to close the hood. You want to see how many miles the car has. 37,401. Then you're going to come over here. 37,401. Get your sticker to remind the customer when the next oil change is due. And then you want to take the old sticker out. Put the new one in. You want to put the car on run. Step on the gas pedal a little bit. This resets it. And then you should be good.
Alright, so that's how we do it here at Brickell CDJR. Thank you, Jason, for your help, and follow us for more. Thank you. That's it. Got it.